Okay, when you have a hankering for burger and fries, those golden arches call you like a moth to the flame. But there's a better way to get your fast food fix. Suzy Robertson says you can break up with drive-thru dining without giving up your burger and fries. It's great to see you.
Good to see you too.
You say if we're eating more at home than we are eating out, then we're doing a good thing.
Right. We're doing better than most Americans because most are just eating out nonstop. And we can't control any of the quality of those ingredients. And bottom line is they really care about their bottom line. They don't care about your internal health. So the quality of the ingredients, the additives, everything that's going into that is just not usually very high quality. So
you're going to up the quality with the same, menu and fare that we crave.
Who doesn't love a burger and fries? That's right.
Give it to us your way.
Okay, so we can start with, let's start with our fries. Let's just start right here. So this is a great meal prep idea. Baking potatoes and sweet potatoes at the first of the week, and you can use them in lots of different ways, but making air fries is so fast and easy. Once they're already baked, they're gonna cook a lot faster because they congeal. I learned this in San Francisco. I went to this vegan conference once. I'm not a vegan, but they taught me how to make really good fruits or vegetables dishes. So anyway, this was so great. So you just put them in your fridge, they're cold, you take them out.
So you cooked these already?
Yeah.
In the oven, just normal baked potato method, okay.
Which you could even just throw in the microwave. It's a quick, easy way, but I prefer just cooking in the oven. And now you can use these chili and potatoes, quick meal.
They're done.
Really fast.
They're ready to go.
Yeah,
and they can go to the air fryer.
Exactly. So you just chop them up, and then you can throw them in your air fryer. This way, you can actually, with an air fryer, use no oil if you're trying to cut back on your oil. But if we're using oil, now we can have control over the oil. So we can use an avocado oil. It's a good high heat oil, and so they're not deep fried. It's just a light layer of oil.
And that would
So it's a good healthy fat. Yes.
Okay.
So if you don't use it, they're not going to be as crisp. They won't have that deep fried flair. But if you want that oily, deep fried
and
flair,
skin
then
on.
You can. Yep, skin on if you want. You can see I peeled my sweet potato, so you can do either way. I don't like the skin on the sweet potato, so I peel those. But we like the fiber that we can get in those potatoes.
How long in the air fryer?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
I'm going to try this.
It's
I don't know why
so
I haven't already. But
I know, right? And you can season it with anything you want. I love the real salt that, we have. This real salt company, Redmond, makes a garlic pepper, and it has salt in it too, and pepper. So it's salt, pepper, and garlic already. It's kind of fun.
We have a few of their
Trader
favorite
Joe's, all
variations.
these different fun seasonings. You can throw anything you want on them, just salt and some seasoning.
Okay.
So, and then they're done. Let me show you
air fried fries.
They can come out. Look how crispy they can be.
Oh, lovely!
Right?
Look at this. Yeah. Okay.
So anyway, we have them over on display too.
And you've got a sauce for us.
Yes. So a simple fry sauce. I love it with barbecue and mayo. You can have the traditional ketchup and mayo, but see, then we can put in a quality olive oil mayo or an avocado oil mayo. So just a little bit healthier mayo. Add a little bit of pickle juice if you want, or some seasoning salt just to make it a little bit more flavorful. So anyway, yeah.
Okay.
And then the next way we can upgrade is our beef. So buying beef, if it's within your budget, buying an organic beef, which will mean that it is grass-fed, or looking for that grass-fed label, then we know the quality of the beef is better. It's just like a mother's milk. We know what the mother consumes affects her milk. Same thing with the cows. What they're eating and the hormones and the pesticides on feed and all those things are affecting the quality of the meat. So we don't have to feel bad about having a burger here and there. Sure, we don't want tons of saturated fats, but it's okay to have a burger.
If you can, they'll look for that grass-fed label.
Yeah,
okay.
Grass-fed and organic are the way to go. So, and if you're going low on carbs, you can always use a lettuce wrap. Like here's, you can just buy some of this fun butter lettuce, throw that in there, and when you go to In-N-Out, you can get it protein style. People like to do that with the lettuce, but it's a great homemade meal. Everybody loves the burger fries, and these fries are just a fun, fast way to.
Looks amazing. I can't wait to try. Suzy, thank you so much.
You're
thanks
welcome.
for helping us level up our nutrition and the quality of our food in little ways that do add up over time. So we know what's for dinner tonight. Very nice. What's coming up with you? How can we connect with what you're doing?
I am always offering classes, you know that. So on my Instagram at Suzy's Natural Health Movement, you can find the link to all the classes, but I am going to offer my cooking and coaching program for a monthly fee. People can sign up now month to month instead of joining for the whole year.
That's great. So they can be with you for the month.
They can try it out. Does this work? Do I like learning how to cook healthy? And this is all we do, is just slowly upgrade our food in little ways and get back to real food. So.
All right, Suzy's Natural Health Movement.
Yes.
We'll link you over from our website where we'll share today's recipe as well, studio5.ksl.com. You're just clicking on the food tab or the recipe tab at the top of your screen. You can also access the search engine in the upper right-hand corner and search by guest name or topic.